Hello guys, so today I will be playing Minecraft and oh no, my thing's on 5. Oh my god, okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this video is gonna have to be really short. This video is gonna have to be real short because my thing's on 5. Okay, so I started another video but someone came in and ruined it. And it was my big sister. And she gets on my nerves so much and I just, it's too much. And then, thank you, Haley.
You're welcome.
Haley gave me a charger. So, and then this video is gonna have to be quick. I can't find a plug in. I found it. Gave me an intro video, and then
The real
the thing, and then the video went past my time that I'm supposed to do. And then I was like, oh my god, this video is just a mess. And so, I redid it. So, yeah. Instead of doing a Minecraft video, which I will do in my second episode, I will play Minecraft. I want to do Skywars. And if you don't know what that is, a server. And I want to play a server. So I'm going to play Skywars, and soon I'm going to be getting more servers, like Hypixel, Capture the Flag, Spleef. So I'm going to play a server. And
Kelly, I thought people don't play.
I was going to have a special guest, Haley, my friend. But, oh, I found VIP. Okay. But her tablet is dying. Let's log in. You can't know my password. Ooh, look, someone named Jasmine on my keyboard. Okay, so let me just pause it so you don't know my password. Turn back on. Okay, my password was not Jasmine, by the way. It's just random things that show up on my keyboard. So don't even try it. You know you're gonna fail it. Okay. I'll give you a hint of my password. And I know I shouldn't do this, but it starts with a B. It starts with a B. Okay, so I found VIP. I like the archer. No, I didn't have the archer. Assassin, tank. I already had the tank before. It only gives you a diamond chestplate. I got so angry. Ooh, a teleporter. This will do me good. A thermal egg. I already have different VIP. Let's join VIP, Kelly. Or not. I'm gonna win this game. Hopefully, ooh, who's gonna dance? Okay. The hint is to go on 2. Oh my god. Well, yeah, it was glitchy. You get a sword just in case he kills me. Ooh, no, I like that one. I need some armor. I need me some armor.
There you took it.
Just played. Okay. Oh, where's my armor go? Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Careful around the corners. This is the first partner who's actually not killing me. Because every partner I have kills me. Okay.
Kelly, where's your chest plate?
I don't know. The chest plates keep on disappearing. I don't know why. Don't ask. Damn it, he took the cake. Look, it's so glitchy. Oh my god, I'm missing boots. It's so awful. Have I gone to everyone?
Yeah.
Chest? No, I haven't. Mistake. I need some dirt.
Don't disappear again, just please. I just know it.
Okay.
They actually look good.
I need some blocks. I think the dude already took all the blocks. So he's on. He's already going.
Just follow him.
Oh, got my iron sword. Damn, everything was disappearing. Okay, I'll follow him. We can do this, bud. Buddy. We're not changing up.
Just punch.
Ooh. A helmet.
Oh.
You already have a helmet? Oh, no, I don't.
He killed himself. But did kill him.
No, my friends are there.
Mistake.
Pants. Shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay, gold. Iron is better than gold. Keep that in my mind. Oh man, that's the booty. Just do that. Okay. Okay, so I think I wanna commit. So I'm gonna go to Minecraft so it doesn't kick me out. Log on to Roku, kick me out. Servers. Locating server. Oh no, I lost my free VIP. Damn, that's not cool. Slash register. Damn it. I had to pause it. Buddy. Oops.
How do you
No, just said where's the post? Boo, 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 blah, 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 blah. Trying to make it normal. Okay, why isn't this wanting to work? I logged in. Slash.
Can we just see you try to log
Come back in. Better let me.
Probably
Okay. I don't know which one I have. My iPad battery's what was that? Think I don't like these season no more. Starting to get on my nerves. Like y'all maybe like how? It just is okay. It just is. I don't need it. Okay, it's one hand. Okay. Where's that? Oh man, a wooden sword. That's not gonna help. Put that in there because I don't need it. Blocks, I'm gonna need blocks, I'm gonna need blocks. Thanks, done.
I found a dog simulator.
Alice is telling me she found a dog simulator for me to play on my world. It ain't gonna happen, girlfriend.
Oh, dang.
We gotta go to the other side of it. I don't die.
But I saw the pictures. Please.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Dirt. Oh, okay. This dude just fell.
Where's my iPad? Where's my iPad?
Bye bye. What's it on my chest? Dang it. Oh my god. Oh man, I died.
You died.
But I got 3 coins.
At least. Where's my iPad?
Oh no, you left it somewhere.
You killed it.
Oh, it's the same.
Did you kill my iPad?
No. How did I kill your iPad? Okay.
What did you do?
Hey.
It broke.
So I'm having a conversation with Haley. Just not mind my conversation.
I just killed my iPad.
Okay, can you be quiet? I'm trying to talk. Video. Okay, sorry about that. Oh my god, did you just see that?
Oh my god,
I went to the floor. I went to the floor.
It's really close. Kelly, it's super cozy, right?
Ooh, the game started. I'm probably gonna glitch.
Hurry up.
Ooh. Full chain. Just need a shirt.
Okay.
Ooh, oh yeah. Iron helmet.
Get up there.
I'm gonna need this stuff. Not gonna need that. I'm gonna need those boots. Oh my god! No! What the fudge? When did that happen? This dude just can't. Oh, that's the dude I accidentally killed. Sorry. That's not nice. I mean, it was an accident because I wanted to win, okay? Finding a game. Oh no, it's a snowman. I never get something good in the snowman. Last time I died. I was like one of the last players.
Holy, I think you're sitting on my iPad.
How am I sitting on your iPad?
See, you were.
Oh.
It's okay.
Ooh, that's good. I got some good stuff now. I hope I get something diamond. Come on, open. This chest don't want to open, so I feel like it has something good. Oh no, I disconnected from the server. This always happens to me. No. Cancel. Skywars. Wait, no, hold up. Hold your horses. This is so glitchy. Okay, go to Minecraft. Okay, this don't want to do anything. Okay, we're gonna do something. Okay, we're gonna do this. Then we go back to Minecraft. Oh no, I went to launch. Oh, my thing's on 5 again. Okay, we're just gonna do this and then I'm gonna end the video. Okay, so capture the flag bottle. For some reason, every time I put hippo, they will run. Okay, so next time when I come back, play Minecraft because next I'm playing a world, like YouTube world, and then just gonna be mixing up. Okay, so next time I come back, I'm gonna be playing a world with my friend Haley, and I don't know what else. Yeah, no. I'm gonna be downloading more games so we can play, so I can play, so you know. Okay, so I'm downloading loads of games because I got loads of gigabytes, like 300 something. No, that's not possible. 36, I think. 36 gigabytes. So that means I can download loads of apps. So yeah.
Let's play Dog Simulator.
So I will download more apps, and next video will be playing Minecraft with Haley. And please like the video and subscribe and leave a comment if you want. You don't have to, but don't be rude and let it be nice. Thank you.